Best beginner motorcycle: Honda CB500F. Selecting your first motorcycle is a significant decision, and it's crucial to choose a machine that balances performance, reliability, and ease of use. The Honda CB500F has long been considered one of the best beginner motorcycles on the market, offering a perfect combination of these factors. In this comprehensive exploration, we will delve into why the Honda CB500F is the ideal choice for novice riders, showcasing its versatility, user-friendly features, and Honda's legacy of excellence. Honda, a legacy of innovation. Honda is a renowned Japanese motorcycle manufacturer with a storied legacy of producing high-quality, reliable machines. They have consistently demonstrated their commitment to innovation, safety, and rider satisfaction, making them a trusted brand in the world of motorcycling. The CB series, a versatile lineup. The Honda CB500F is a member of the CB series, known for its versatile, user-friendly motorcycles. This series has been a staple for beginners and experienced riders alike, appreciated for its approachable design and balanced performance. A responsive parallel twin engine. The heart of the Honda CB500F is a responsive 471cc parallel twin engine. It delivers a manageable 49 horsepower, striking an ideal balance between power and accessibility for new riders. The parallel twin configuration offers smooth and predictable power delivery, making it easier for beginners to build their riding skills. Sporty and modern styling. The CB500F features sporty and modern styling, combining a naked bike design with contemporary aesthetics. Its sharp lines, minimalist bodywork, and aggressive stance give it a dynamic and visually appealing presence. Novice riders will appreciate the sleek and eye-catching look that mirrors Honda's sportier models. Lightweight and nimble. Weighing around 420 pounds, approximately 190 kilograms, the CB500F is a lightweight motorcycle. Its nimble nature makes it easy to handle, particularly in city traffic and while learning cornering techniques. Novice riders will find it agile and confidence-inspiring. Comfortable ergonomics. Despite its sporty appearance, the Honda CB500F offers a comfortable and upright riding position. The handlebars are well placed, and the footpeg position is neutral, reducing strain on the rider's wrists and lower back. This thoughtful design allows for enjoyable and fatigue-free riding on daily commutes or longer journeys. User-friendly features. The CB500F is equipped with a variety of user-friendly features that enhance the riding experience. A digital display provides essential information at a glance, including speed, fuel level, gear position, and more. This information is presented clearly, ensuring that new riders can keep their attention on the road. Excellent fuel efficiency. One of the standout features of the CB500F is its excellent fuel efficiency. Novice riders will appreciate a motorcycle that doesn't require frequent stops at the gas station. The engine's fuel injection system ensures that each tank of gas takes you further, making it a cost-effective choice. Confidence-inspiring handling. The Honda CB500F's chassis and suspension are carefully tuned to provide a balanced and confidence-inspiring ride. It excels in maneuverability and responsiveness, ideal for riders looking to build their skills progressively. The predictable handling allows new riders to learn and develop at their own pace. Low maintenance. Honda motorcycles are renowned for their durability and low maintenance requirements, and the CB500F is no exception. It's a bike that can be enjoyed without constant tinkering, allowing riders to focus on the pure joy of riding and skill development. The ideal starting point. For beginners, the Honda CB500F is the perfect starting point in the world of motorcycling. It delivers a satisfying blend of style, performance, and practicality, making it suitable for those new to the sport. Honda's legacy of excellence is evident in every aspect of the CB500F. As a first motorcycle, the CB500F offers a compelling mix of sporty aesthetics and accessible performance. It serves as a stepping stone for beginners to explore the world of motorcycling, develop their skills, and experience the freedom of two-wheel travel. Choosing your first motorcycle is a memorable and exciting experience, and the Honda CB500F ensures that your journey begins on the right note. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a partner in your adventure, inviting you to explore the open road, learn, and grow as a rider. With its versatile design and balanced performance, it sets you on a path of discovery and skill development in the world of motorcycling.